loves, welcome back to my channel. It's time to unbox this month's Medusa's makeup box. This contains 4 to 5 Medusa's makeup products, and let's see what April brings us. In this box I got 4 items, and they're all full size. The first one is their eyeshadow brush. I used it today to apply my shadow. It's really nice to get the corners over here and like blend the shadow out a little bit. Yeah, it's soft and nice, nice brush, and I think it would be good to also put the highlight under the brow bone. So I also got this Medusa's makeup eyeshadow. It's their matte eyeshadow in shade Kokomo. It's beautiful matte yellow. It would look perfect on white base. I think on the skin it doesn't come out as strong as it could be. Can't wait to use it on a white face and create something colorful. It's very, like, I love the packaging, and it came in this. It looks so pretty. Then I did got their cotton candy lip scrub. It looks like this bright pink, and let me and it smells so good and sweet. Can't wait to use it. I think I will use it tonight. And the last item is their lipstick. Comes in this kind of packaging, and the shade is Rosy. I really like the lipstick tube. Now mine is a bit how to say, like broken, so it wiggles a little bit. But this is the shade. Well, it's not a shade I would usually go for because it's too light. It's kind of lilac shade, but I tried it on with this makeup. It didn't go, but I think I will try it out with, like, when I use more cool tone shadows. But this is really pretty. And the lipstick itself is creamy and pigmented. Only thing is it is broken a little. I think that happened during the shipping. I don't think they sent me a broken lip product. Total value of the box is $39, and their products are cruelty-free, vegan, and everything's made in the USA. They do ship internationally. It's a little bit more expensive. I think I paid $22 or $23 or something like that. I will leave all the box info down below if you are interested. But this is it for this video. You can find all the info and everything on my blog as always, which I will link down below. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.